What do I mean about products over talent? I learned something, family, from one of my mentors, who is Master P. He said something about having products and about how important it was, and about how important it was over your talent, because a person can still use you for your talent. But once you learn how to use your talent to create the products, then you separate yourself from that chain of command, so to speak. So now you get a chance to not only have to deal with the BS from the system and other people not wanting to help you get to the next level. Now you actually got a product that can stand for itself. It can sit on the shelf. It can be put out here. It can be networked. It can be seen with the eye. So now a person can see your product. And I learned by getting my hog on, fam, when I moved out to Phoenix, Arizona, and just traveling, period. I've always been judged from how I look, how I carry myself, because of most of the time, because of my culture, my beard, my gold teeth. But once I speak and get to talking, they're like, oh, they want to hold a conversation with me then. But most of the time I'm prejudged just because of how I represent my culture and my character. So I learned that when I was doing business, a lot of times those doors were getting closed on me, fam. I used to pay people off of Craigslist to go in, sit in certain business meetings for me to get the bid. And that way, when I show up with the crew, they like, oh, okay, you work for the company? Yeah, I'm the foreman and this the crew. We're going to go on to get this done. And I remember one time, one of the guys said, hey, man, I'm going to make sure I call the owner and tell him how good job saying y'all did. Man, they need to give y'all a bonus. So we was all laughing because everybody knew I was the owner. But that's what I had to do to get my hog on, fam. So when I embraced the concept products over talent, I realized my talent is always going to get me judged, is always going to get me belittled, or I have to do something for it. But if I create a product that can stand alone, where they can see, hey, I want this for this number, this price, they won't judge me for who I am. They'll judge me by my product. And that's why I say products over talent. Hog on.